Hello, thank you for tuning in. You're watching White News. East Bengal Regiment is the largest regiment in Bangladesh today. But perhaps few people know that this regiment played an unforgettable role in the defense of Lahore, the most important city of West Pakistan in the 1965 war. The Indians believed that they could capture the whole of West Pakistan in 72 hours. But the humiliating defeat of the Indian Army has already begun from the beginning. At the end of the war, the East Bengal Regiment was the regiment that received the most bravery medals. On one hand, the East Bengal Regiment of the Pakistan Army was wreaking havoc on the Indian Army, and on the other hand, the great Alam from Dhaka was hitting the Indian Army from the sky. Alam was the one who, on September 7, 1965, upset the Indian Air Force by shooting down 5 aircrafts of the Indian Army in less than 1 minute. The Bengali Major Ziaur Rahman pushed the Indian Army back on the Khem-Karan front and entered Indian Punjab for several miles, where he remained until the end of the war. For which the government of Pakistan awarded him the Hilal-e-Jurrat. The same Ziaur Rahman later became the chief of the Bangladesh Army and held the position of the 7th President of Bangladesh. On February 15, 1948, on the orders of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the East Bengal Regiment was established, after which, in the following years, the President of Pakistan, Field Marshal Ayub Khan, laid a network of cadet colleges in East Pakistan, which is now Bangladesh, so that more and more people from Bengal can become part of the Pakistan Army. The love and sacrifice of Bengalis for Pakistan is an important and golden period in our history, and will always remind us that even though we are separated now, we are one.